Today we are going to install the Starlink. We got a brand new Starlink. It's generation 3. Turns out that we can permanently mount this on the roof. So that means we could actually use it while we're in motion, while we're actually driving. This would be a game changer. Here are some of the things we used, how we installed it. Come on, if we can do it, you can do it too. So come with us as we install Gen 3 Starlink. Today we are going to install the Starlink. We got a brand new Starlink. It's generation 3. Turns out that we can permanently mount this on the roof. So that means we could actually use it while we're in motion, while we're actually driving. This would be so fantastic. And we wouldn't have to put it up on the pole every time that we stop and wrestle with it and try to get it in the slides and all that good stuff. So this would be absolutely fabulous. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, we went to Home Depot. We got all of the goodies that we need to put the new Starlink on the roof. Some of the stuff we bought, things, scrapers to get the caulk that's up down the ceiling. We have interior sealant. So we want to put the stuff on the roof. We can silk it all up. And of course we forgot our cork gun from home, so we had to go buy another one. And Mike is busy making holes in the electrical box we bought.
Hold it. That's it.
Okay.
So I'm saying if you caulk it now, you can get underneath it.
Do you want me to caulk it on the inside?
Not the inside, not here. See?
Oh, at that side?
See? Yeah, it's 1 inch. Get it over there.
Yeah, I think I have painter's tape. I can tape it down. There you go.
Caulk that like that.
Okay, now this is going to go on top, so we can get it loose again when we want it.
That's the whole idea.
Yeah, if we ever
Like you
want
just
to put
run
something
the wire
else
through
it.
here.
Eventually, we want to do solar, so having that hole there would be a plus.
See?
Yeah.
And plenty of room for others.
Making sure we have everything, because now we have to drag it all up on the roof, and we have to get it past that Starlink. That's never fun.
Any bigger?
Yeah.
They get that pipe in, it's going to help us because you have to go through the ceiling.
Yeah.
So you got to go through the cabinet and the sub-ceiling. And my bit's only that long. So they finally changed this thing. They're both RJ45s.
Okay.
We run this through here. Like something like this, right? And then we just put that over like that. If we want in the future put the pole down, we can still do it.
We have to get the old caulk out of the hole.
Let's see. Yeah, let's see if I can pull it up for you.
Yeah.
It wasn't leaking, I'll tell you that much.
Oh no, I stuffed it.
Tape.
Our plan was to use the old wire as a snake.
Don't make it too thick either.
I'm not. I'm trying to anyone so I don't have a...
Yeah.
The job is to pull through the other
You
way.
already got it through, so now I got to very gently pull.
Oh.
Now when I pull, you might want to be on this side
Yeah.
so that you can feed the wire through
Right,
this.
I'm gonna... That's what we have so far. I'm just gonna go down and grab it from the cabinet. This hole leads to the inside of the vented cabinet above our RV. Go ahead. It came off. Oh, did it really? Yep. All right. Let me pull it back out. Can I fish it down through there maybe? Damn it. Alright. Alright, let me pull back out. I straightened out the wire and fished it down to where he was able to grab it. Yeah. We have a hole. The hole was made 3 years ago when we put in our cell phone booster. I had measured from the fan, the slide ons, and the fridge vent to make sure the hole would go into the cabinet above the TV. And so now the sky is not looking too good today. It was supposed to be cloudy today, but no rain. But I don't know. As you can see, the clouds behind me, they don't look nice. Mike attached the Starlink to the special mounting bracket for the roof, removing the Eternal Bond roof seal tape that was holding the cell booster wire to the roof. What a mess! This stuff is a nightmare to get off. Okay, so we got 2 pieces of it off. Just got to peel off the others. I gotta feed it through. Hang on, it's getting a little, trying to get untangled. Go ahead, keep going. Go ahead, keep going. So now we got it all the way down into the cabinet. We don't have that much up. Okay, and then we have the thing corked. A little top on it. We have to go down and get a Phillips head screwdriver so we can screw these in. It's got a little rubber seal on the top, so it should stay put. We gotta go into the Starlink, and everything else is inside in the cabinet, which we have to work on next. Yeah, this doesn't look very nice out. I got some guy who's parked right behind us at the horses. They're not supposed to park in front of the RV slots, so he's blocking us in. Mike is drilling a hole to feed our power strip to the plug next to the TV. Yeah.
We're just gonna lay it here. Eventually we'll want to mount it up there.
Okay.
They make a mount for it.
Oh, do they?
For this and the power supply.
We have tons of extra wires, so we're trying to get it all bundled up so it kind of looks neat in the cabinet. Now he's going to plug in the router. After the install, Mike has to set up the new account and connect it. Well, it says you got 30 days and then they'll start charging you, so I'm thinking we still had 30 days that we already paid for in the other one, so I guess we could switch it over at some point.
See, they're treated as 2 separate networks.
Right.
It says it's online. Let's do a speed test to see if we can start. It just came on, so it might be a few minutes. It's getting better already. Alright. It's going to take a while for it to optimize, I guess. I mean, we're already getting 30, 40. Before it was 6, now it's up to 43 already. Middle of the afternoon on Saturday, Easter Sunday.
Yeah.
Getting 20 megs up, I'll tell you that much. See, it's doing a software update. So just let it go. Alright, we can start cleaning up. It's working. So we just need to cancel once we get it working for a day. I'll switch the thermometer over to this one, see if it makes a difference. They're about the same, so, but your upload speeds are way better.
Oh, really? On the new one?
It's also downloading software. Let's see what gets the software upgrade.
Oh, it's downloading software too? Okay.
It's doing an upgrade.
Okay. We need to buy some rubber hull grommets, but we couldn't leave because the party going on with the horse trails in front of us.
Well, it's definitely working, so.
Alright, well, that's good.
It's rebooted.
Yeah, and now the sky's starting to look really nasty, so we're going to call it a day. The next weekend. Okay, we bought some rubber grommets to go in this hole up here. We bought brackets. These brackets are supposed to hold on the Starlink router. I don't know what this thing is, but as you can't see it, but I just touched it and it's pretty hot. And then this is the router, and this is actually pretty hot too. So yes, they need to be put up on the wall. We need to replace the extension cord which we just got. So this white one, which you can see coming down the side to the the plug that's there. Yeah, we need to replace that. I bought one of those. That's in this box here. These are the, we had, actually it was two for, I think two for like $9, so we got 2 of them. Oh, this is the fan. Remember that I said those things were so hot? This is the fan. Mike is installing the fan. First he has to put it together and try and decide where to mount the thing. So we finally decided to mount it on the louvers, just temporarily. So that's it. It is on the roof. We took the old one down. We stowed that away, took it out of the slide, and so far it's been working fantastic. So hopefully that will give you some ideas. And maybe if you're thinking about doing it yourself, hey, what the heck? If we can do it, you guys can do it. So come join us on our adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring that notification bell to tune into our next video, usually out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We would love to hear from you guys. Have a good one.